Hello my sweet friends and welcome to DIY with Nadia. Today I have a double haul for you. I have one from Joann Fabrics and the other one is from Hobby Lobby. Everything I got here, I got at least 50% off. I actually got some clearance stuff from Hobby Lobby. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to get started with Joann's. I paid $154 for all of this that I got at Joann's, and I saved $186.51. Most of the Deco mesh I'm going to show you, I got two of them, except for this gold one. It's gold and burlap. This one I got three of because I thought I can use this for Christmas. Actually, a lot of these that have foil in them, like this, you can definitely incorporate into Christmas if, if you're doing something where you have pinks in a Christmas tree or something in that particular room that maybe you're making a wreath for, or I don't know, some of us like to decorate a little retro, maybe this nice kind of mint foil, that would look nice too. So you can definitely incorporate these into your wreaths for Christmas. All the 10-inch Deco mesh that I got was $9.99 and it was 50% off. So as I showed you, I did get one with some pink foil, yellow foil, then this kind of mint foil one, and then I got a red, white, and blue one just in case I still want to do a 4th of July wreath. Otherwise, it's going to be saved for next year. This next one I got is very pretty. It has shades of green and it does have foil throughout. It's very pretty and it's perfect for maybe a nautical theme. Then this one is also another one that would be really kind of pretty for under the sea. And then this color also, it's not really green. It's green, it has kind of peacock blue, iridescent kind of looking foil strings through it. So this one definitely you can use for a nautical theme. These next few are definitely farmhouse Deco mesh rolls because they all have burlap but they don't have any foil in them. So this one has like 2 coral colors and 2 yellow ones, and I thought this would be perfect to do some gorgeous fall wreaths. Just the same with this one, I thought this is beautiful for fall along with this one. And this one you can actually do a nautical wreath with this one because it has grays. It has the burlap one, but it also has this beautiful kind of antique white kind of ivory, like a light ivory, and it's very, very pretty. This next one has ivory and red, and it was meant for 4th of July, but I can see using this for Christmas. Just depends on what you pick, what you work with, what you add to it. Definitely you could use it for Christmas. I would have thought these would be more of Christmas than spring because it has that kind of furry white stripe in there. But yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful green. I got a few rolls of these because I thought it was beautiful. And then a coral color. This one you can either do a fall wreath with. You can definitely still do some sort of maybe even a nautical theme with, like maybe a mermaid, something like that. I feel like you can take any color and make it to your theme as long as you have coordinating, florals or decor or little signs that work with it. This next one is also green. I got one roll of this, I believe, and it has just little ivory, little strips through it. Very nice. Definitely can use it for either fall or Christmas, or maybe some floral theme that I can still do. Next, I got these, just tones of kind of peach and pink. And then I got another one, and then this one it's half purple, half yellow. I have another one that I got at 50% off a long time ago, but the method I wanted, I needed 2 rolls. So I was looking for this and very excited that I got this on sale. And then I just got a roll of, I think this is 5.5. Yeah, it's 5.5 inches. And this is something that you can do the Nadia method with, and all those that the Dollar Tree one you can do. But you know, this one is 18 feet. So that's a great deal for that, I think. Next, I got some picks. First thing I go to is greenery. When you are between seasons, go for the greenery, because the greenery you can incorporate for any season. Then I got a pick like this, and this one I was surprised that it was in the spring stuff because it looks like a Christmas pick. It has like that fuzzy frosted look to it, so I was like, And there was another one I found, but it had a different flower, so I grabbed that too. Why not, right? Then I got this gorgeous pick, and I only got one because I felt like this flower is so big. It's such a statement that I can use maybe like a pink one next to it and something like this. And because I just feel like it's a centerpiece. Like this one is really, it just makes a statement. And then since I already showed you these two peonies, and I got two picks of these, and I got them because I was thinking of this one. I got these, and these are peach color. I have some Deco mesh that I'm trying to use that's peach, and I can't find the appropriate decor for it. So I was like, maybe I'll make it as a floral wreath. So I picked up these beautiful peach picks. To top it off, I got some strawberry picks. These are 2 picks, and they were originally $5. All the picks that I got $1.60, and I thought it was a great deal because these are beautiful, these are quality, and at $1.60 I think this is really pretty and unique. I thought I would have you guys say hello to Leo. He's been sitting here the whole time I've been recording, just very patient, very gentle and quiet. Did you want to go back down, Leo? Before I move on, I just wanted to say a quick little hello to all my new subscribers, and of course a big hug and a hello to all of you that have been with me from the beginning. I just feel like I haven't been on face to face with you in a while, and I wanted to take a minute to say thank you for all your support. All of you that say that I helped you make your first wreath, or you know, you like the way I explain things. I do not take credit for that because I feel like I don't know where that comes from besides you know who. I wanted to say thank you, and you are the reason that I keep on going. In the description box below, you will find 2 Facebook links. The first one is my Facebook page. That's where you will find me sharing little video clips or pictures or Instagram photos that come straight onto that page, and that's my stuff. But the other link is even cooler because that link, it's where you, subscribers like you, share wreaths. We support each other. We, you know, if someone has a question, we try to answer if we can. It is a beautiful community for either beginners or experts, and we all kind of work together and we can just have fun sharing our creations. So I would love for you to join that group. I will have the link in the description box below. Next, I'm going to share some Hobby Lobby stuff. First thing I'm going to show you are these gorgeous berries, and I got 4 little picks. They were $2.99 and I got them for 74 cents in the clearance area. We will see what I'm able to do with it. I do want to make a cute kind of summery berry wreath with this one. In that same clearance area, I found a roll of Deco mesh, but it's a Deco mesh ribbon. It is, let's see here, it is 2.5 inches wide, like a beautiful ribbon, and it is 30 feet. It was originally $4.99 and I got it for $1.24. The other ribbon I got at Hobby Lobby was $3.99, and it is the mermaid one. I did get it at 50% off. I hope you can see it. It's this beautiful pink and blue, and it has silver little scales on it. Very pretty. First, I'm going to show you some 5.5 inch Deco mesh. And so the first one I got was this Poly Pro mesh, and it is a beautiful blue. If you know what cornflower blue looks like, that's what this is, because it's not a baby blue, it's not a dark blue, it's a cornflower blue. Then I got this one, and this one is kind of like a peacock color. It's green and it has that shimmery blue in it, and it's very, very pretty. This one was $7.99, so 50% on that one. This one was actually $5.99, so $3. Then I got a pretty yellow one. This one was at $5.99. And then this white one was also $5.99. Same deal like the other ones. And then they had some with burlap. Now this one was $6.99. And it is 18 feet long and 5.5 in width right here. But it is so pretty. I absolutely love this deco mesh. Next, I'm going to show you some a 10-inch deco mesh. It was $7.99 and I got it for obviously $4 because I got a 50% off. So I got this beautiful kind of like a light coral. Then this green is kind of like a Scrooge green. It's the kind of lime light green. Then I got a light blue. Then a little darker blue. Then pink. It has little foiled stripes in it. Then I was about to show you this one. And I was like, wait a minute. Did I buy it at both places? And where did I save more? Here we go. This deco mesh is from Hobby Lobby. This one is from Joann's. Both of them are identical, just different labels on them. The one from Hobby Lobby was $9. The one from Joann was $10. I got 50% off on both of them. So the one from Hobby Lobby was a better deal by $1. And it was just, I cannot believe that I didn't realize what I did. But when I was buying this one at Joann's this week, I knew I had bought one at Hobby Lobby, but I did not pay attention to the price. And so the conclusion of this video is Hobby Lobby might have better prices than Joann's, even though I got some things in Joann's that you can't find at Hobby Lobby. Those are definitely worth buying. But at the end of the day, Hobby Lobby is cheaper because their deco mesh is $8.99 instead of $9.99. And the last two things I'm going to show you are these soft poly mesh. And so these are weatherproof. They're very sturdy. I recommend using this type of deco mesh with a heating tool if you're going to cut it up. Some people use these when they're making flower wreaths. I'm not going to go into that, but if you are making simple wreaths, I would either use it for a bubble method or for what I call a spiral or a poof method, where you're going around and you're just attaching the deco mesh to the wreath form and then you're decorating the top. Usually it's 18 pipe cleaners, if you guys remember that. This is the one I would use this for. Another reason, the mesh on here, the way it is netted, it is much, much thicker and wider than you have the netting on your regular Poly Pro mesh. A lot bigger little squares than this one is what I'm saying. Here is Leo for this last part. I wanted to thank all of you, all my subscribers, those of you who keep on supporting me, encouraging me to keep on going. Thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you, and so does Leo. And for now, we are going to say bye-bye, guys. Bye. Were you waving? Or were you trying to make me stop talking?